Unit 5 The Universe Chapter 9 The Sun and Shadow Important terms Exist To be present Light Many beams of the rays of sun Observe To see and understand carefully Opposite The other end Shadow Shade cast on a surface by an object blocking the path of light. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. Plants need sunlight to grow. Sunlight makes day fresh and bright. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun is an essential part of life on the earth. The heat of the sun kills germs that cause diseases. The sun looks small in size as it is very far from the earth. The sun facilitates water cycle in nature. The heat of the sun helps to ripen fruits. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. Its size is big, but it appears to be small because it is very far away from the earth. Life exists on the earth because of the sun. Green plants need sunlight to prepare their own food. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Sunrise, sunset. Factoscope. The sun is much bigger than the earth. Shadows. Light casts shadows. Light cannot pass through the board. Since the board comes in the way of light, it blocks the light and casts a shadow. When an object comes in the way of light, it forms a shadow. When you walk in the afternoon, observe how your shadow is formed on the ground. Light makes shadows. Direction of shadows. When the light is shown from the left side of the board, the shadow of the board is formed on the right side. When the light is shown from the right side, the shadow is formed on the left side. It is evident that shadows are formed in a direction that is opposite to the source of light. We cannot see our shadows in the dark. That is because they are not formed in the absence of light. Shadow on the right side. Shadow on the left side. Shadows keep changing. In the morning, the shadow of a boy will look longer. That is because the rising sun is at a lower level in the sky. At noon, the shadow of the boy will look short. This is because the sun is over our heads. In the evening, the shadow of the boy will increase in terms of length because the setting sun is seen at a lower level in the sky. Morning, noon, 12 o'clock, evening. Fact 5. The sun is at the center of our solar system. Let's summarize. 1. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. 2. Life is possible on the earth because of the sun. 3. Light casts shadows in the direction opposite to the source of light. 4. The sun rises in the east